Welcome back to Natural Healing, where we dive into health, wellness, and everything in between. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of doing a 24-hour fast and the powerful changes it can trigger inside your body. Let's get into it and enjoy our video. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or treatment plans. Let's be honest. Going 24 hours without food sounds intense, especially if you're used to eating every few hours. So why would anyone willingly do it? Well, here's the deal. Fasting for 24 hours activates a powerful process in your body called autophagy. This is your body's natural way of cleaning out damaged or unhealthy cells, including precancerous ones, before they become a problem. That's right. You and I both have precancerous cells in our bodies right now. But if they never evolve into cancer, there's no issue. And autophagy helps prevent that transformation. But that's not all. A 24-hour fast can also reduce inflammation, lower insulin resistance, and help your body enter a deep state of cellular repair. And even if you've never tried intermittent fasting before, don't worry. We're going to break it all down step by step. Most people snack all day long, at work, in the car, after dinner. On average, we eat over a 16-hour window daily, giving our bodies barely 8 hours to rest during sleep. Here's the problem. When you're constantly eating, your insulin levels stay elevated, which tells your body to store fat instead of burning it. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, a key factor in many chronic diseases, including cancer. In fact, 1 in 3 adults in the U.S. is insulin resistant, and most don't even know it. If you often feel tired, crave sugar, struggle to lose weight, or wake up groggy, you might be insulin resistant, even if your blood sugar levels appear normal. The good news? Insulin resistance is reversible, and intermittent fasting is one of the most powerful ways to turn things around. Now, if you're a cancer survivor or someone trying to reduce your risk, I'm not saying fasting is a cure. But it's an amazing natural tool your body already has. You just need to give it the right conditions to work. So what happens when you fast for 24 hours? Let's walk through it. From 0 to 6 hours after your last meal. Your body is still in a fed state, digesting food and using glucose for energy. Insulin levels are elevated, and fat burning is minimal. Now, from 6 to 12 hours after your last meal, blood sugar and insulin levels begin to drop. Your body finishes digestion and slowly shifts from using dietary energy to tapping into glycogen, stored sugar in your liver and muscles. From 12 to 14 hours, now your glycogen stores start running low. Your body begins converting fat into ketones, a cleaner, more efficient energy source that your brain especially loves. Studies show that most cancer cells struggle to use ketones for energy. Your healthy cells adapt just fine, but cancer cells, which depend heavily on sugar, begin to starve. 14 till 16 hours in, you enter the fat-burning zone. Your metabolism switches gears. Your body starts using stored fat for fuel, insulin drops to its lowest point, and your brain may feel clearer and more alert than it has in weeks. 19 hours. This is where autophagy starts ramping up. Your body begins breaking down and recycling damaged cells. This process is crucial for cellular repair and disease prevention. At the 24-hour mark, you're in a state of deep repair. Inflammation markers drop, brain cells regenerate, muscles become more insulin sensitive, and your risk for chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and cancer decreases significantly. One study that observed Muslims during Ramadan found that autophagy-related gene expression spiked dramatically after 19 hours of fasting. That's when the body truly begins to regenerate and heal at a cellular level. Now, how do people feel after regularly hitting that 24-hour fasting mark? More energy, less brain fog, fewer cravings, fat loss without muscle loss. Fasting even increases growth hormone, helping you preserve lean muscle while shedding fat. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but 24 hours without food? I'm not sure I can do that. And you're not alone. Fasting is hard at first, especially if you're used to late-night snacking. But that hunger, that lightheadedness, that food obsession, it's all temporary. Most people need 2 to 3 weeks to adjust to intermittent fasting. Start small. Begin with a 12 to 14-hour fast, then work your way up. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you don't have to fast every single day. Even just extending the time between meals gives your body more room to heal. But if you can manage it, reaching that 24-hour fast once or twice a week, you'll be unlocking some of the most powerful health benefits nature has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let your body do what it was designed to do: heal, restore, and thrive. Let me know your experience with fasting in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.